Hi, little ghost. Nice job on making your home look scary. Oh, you want it to be cozy? How about LAMEX wallpapers? What? That's ridiculous. Let's debunk these myths together. LAMEX wallpapers actually cost around the same as paint, oftentimes even less. In fact, paint gets dirty easily after a few years, meaning more money is spent repainting. But LAMEX wallpapers are easy to clean and will look fresh for more years when installed properly. See, peeling only happens at places with high moisture in the walls, like bathrooms. LAMEX wallpapers installed with love on dry walls will not be coming down unless you want to switch things up. Why tiptoe waiting for paint to dry and risk ruining your stuff when wallpapers can be installed within the day by the professional LAMEX team? It's worth it, trust me. It's the best way to color your home cozy with patterns and textures. No mess, no stress.